Hello and welcome. This is lesson 34 of Introduction to Hindi Alphabets, and in this lesson we will learn about the Barah Kadi of H. Now we know about the 12 vowels of Hindi: A, I, U, U, E, I, O, Au, and H. And we know about the consonants too, right? We also know that we get different sounds or letters of Hindi when we add half consonants to vowels. And that is what we've been doing till now. We have been adding all these half consonants to all these vowels to get different letters or sounds of Hindi. And in this video, we will see what sounds we get when we add this half consonant to all these vowels. Okay, so let us start with the first sound, H. 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 And you get this sound H when you add H. H to A. H plus A equal to H. H plus A equal to H. H. Okay, now it is difficult to pronounce this, and also you don't need to pronounce this. You don't have to know how to pronounce this. It is enough if you pronounce this. Okay, H is pronounced like HO in honey. 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 And like HU in hut. 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 Okay, and H is written like this. Okay, the next sound is Ha. 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 And you get this sound Ha when you add H to A. H plus A equal to Ha. H plus A equal to Ha. Ha. And Ha is pronounced like HEA in heart. 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 Okay, and Ha is written like this. Okay, next sound is He. 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 And you get this sound He when you add H to E. H plus E equal to He. H plus E equal to He. He. And He is pronounced like HI in hill. Hill. He. L. He. L. Hill. Hill. Okay. And He is written like this. Okay, the next sound is He. 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 And you get this sound He when you add H to E. H plus E equal to He. H plus E equal to He. He. And He is pronounced like HE in hero. 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 Okay, and He is written like this. Next sound is Who. 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 And you get this sound Who when you add H to U. H plus U equal to Who. H plus U equal to Who. Who. And Who is pronounced like HOO in hook. 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 Okay, and who is written like this. Okay. Next sound is who. 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 You get this sound who when you add h to oo. H plus oo equal to who. H plus oo equal to who. Who. And who is pronounced like WHO in whose. 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 Okay. And who is written like this. Okay. Next sound is hey. 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 You get this sound hey when you add h to a. H plus a equal to hey. H plus a equal to hey. Hey. And hey is pronounced like he in hen. He, n. He, n. Hen. Okay. And hey is written like this. Okay. The next sound is high. 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 And you get this sound high when you add h to I. H plus I equal to high. H plus I equal to high. High. And high is pronounced like hi in hide. 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 Okay. And high is written like this. Okay. The next sound is ho. 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 You get this sound ho when you add h to o. H plus o equal to ho. H plus o equal to ho. Ho. And ho is pronounced like ho in hope. 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 Okay. And ho is written like this. Okay. The next sound is how. 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 You get this sound how when you add h to ow. H plus ow equal to how. H plus ow equal to how. How. And how is pronounced like the word how itself. H-O-W. How. How. Okay. And how is written like this. Okay. Next sound is hum. 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 And you get this sound hum when you add h to h plus equal to hum. H plus equal to hum. Hum. And hum is pronounced like hum in humble. 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 Okay. And hum is written like this. Okay. The last sound is ha ha. Ha ha. Ha ha. And you get the sound ha ha when you add h to a ha. H plus a ha equal to ha ha. H plus a ha equal to ha ha. Ha ha. Okay. And ha ha is written like this. Alright. So those are the sounds of h. To recap, it is h plus a equal to h plus a equal to ha, h plus e equal to he, h plus e equal to he, h plus u equal to who, h plus u equal to who, h plus a equal to he, h plus I equal to hi, h plus o equal to ho, h plus au equal to how, h plus equal to hum, and h plus aha equal to ha. Okay. So go ahead and practice writing and pronouncing all the sounds. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and thank you for watching. Click subscribe, click on the bell icon and click on all to get notified when we post a new video. If you want to watch more videos, click on the channel and click on playlists and follow any playlist that you want.